Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for tonight, we're gonna look at the pairs that we did the analysis on Sunday. So this is our midweek review. So I'm gonna start with the GBP JPY. As you remember correctly, as I showed you on Sunday, that this is a continuation pattern, and it did as I thought. So the price broke. This is the 4 hour. So the price broke. So normally I do not enter the trade when it has broke. I enter it after it has retested. So my entry was somewhere here. My entry was somewhere here. It was 30 pips if I remember correctly. So it was somewhere here. Sorry, my stop loss was here. Then my stop loss was around 30 pips. So when the price came here, I saw that this is a strong rejection. So what I did is I took my profit. So I waited for the pair to show me where it's going. So as it was a strong zone, as you can see, I did put the blue line here. As it's a strong zone, I did exit the trade, and I waited for it to break. So as it broke here, this was my strong zone. As it rejected here, I waited for it to come and retest, and as it did here, I did enter a trade. But as you can see, I think it's gonna push me out. Let me just show you my stop loss was 10 pips. Stop loss was 10 pips. As you can see, it's playing here, and my entry was here. So I think it's gonna take me out with this candlestick, but I don't know. We'll see. But my stop loss is 10 pips. So my target is still here on the 90% through. This is a strong zone, but it broke on the 4 hour, so that's why I entered the trade. So my take profit is somewhere here. So I'll be watching it carefully, but my stop loss is very tight. As you can see, my stop loss is very tight. It's about 10 pips. If I wanted to, I could have used a 5 pip stop loss. You see, even if I wanted to, I could have used a 5 pip stop loss, but I normally like 10 pip stop loss. This is the lowest I use. So a 5%, sorry, 5 pip stop loss. I normally use it when I use a big lot size. So then I know that a 5 pip stop loss won't do anything even if I used a big lot size. So but for now I'm watching the pair. But as it broke here, I know this is a strong zone. This is a strong zone. It will reject, and the price will hit the 90% rule, as I told you. But my first entry was somewhere here, but I did exit when I saw that this is a strong zone. So I waited for the pair to see what it was doing. So it broke the zone, and I waited for it to come and retest the zone. As it came and retested, I did enter the trade. As you can see, it's rejecting now. As you can see, this candlestick now, it's rejecting. Let's go to gold. This is the other pair that I showed you on Sunday. As you remember correctly, I also had a continuation pattern on gold. So the trade that I entered, it was here. I think it took me out, and I did enter it again, because let me go to the 1 hour so we can see it properly. So I did enter here, thinking that it has retested, so it's going to the top, but it did came down. So my entry was somewhere here, if I remember correctly. Let me just, I didn't put it well here. I remember correctly, my entry somewhere here. So I'm still holding on gold, and this was my second, this was supposed to be my second entry, but I didn't enter it. And the other pair that I looked is USD CAD, but I didn't show you the trade on USD CAD. The only pair that I showed you is GBP JPY and gold. As you can see, the price is still rejecting, so I'll be watching this for an hour, then I'll see if I'll take the loss or I'll wait for it to hit my stop loss. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.